Hi everyone, my name is Shannon. Welcome to King Family Farm. Today I'm editing together a video of the last 9 days of potato harvest that I have worked, and I thought I would intro that video a little bit while I'm down here in the barn feeding the animals this morning. I get to do it in the daylight, which is kind of nice. So for the last 9 days I've been driving truck for another farm which is significantly larger than mine. It's a really big crew that gets together and works on this farm, and they are just the greatest people. They're so easy to work for, and the wealth of knowledge and information and the skills brought together from a bunch of different farmers from different farms and mechanics and all these different backgrounds, it's truly a gift. I'm forever grateful for getting the chance to work on that farm. So hopefully we get to do it again next year. So this video is just going to be a little montage of the last 9 days of harvest, and then we'll be back to my farm and what we're doing here. We have garlic to get planted. We have to put some of the garden to bed. We have to build and prep beds for next year, tear out the high tunnel and plant it again for next year. So there's a lot going on in the next few weeks, and I also have Christmas shows to get ready for, so there'll be lots of jam making and fudge making. So I hope everybody enjoys this video. I'm not going to talk through it. I think I'm just going to stick it all together, and we had a really great time. We always do. The weather was a little bit of a challenge just with the fog in the morning. We did really good. We got everything done just before the rain started last night. It is raining today, and I'm thrilled that I got to work there this year. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to finish with my animals. Oreo's getting bigger, and go inside and finish putting it together.